Series we will discuss about C programming language. Today is the first video. At first we will discuss about introduction of C. At first we will know about software. What is software? Then other thing. At first, what is software? Software is a collection of programs, and a program is a collection of instruction given to the computer. There are few steps to process a program development. At first, user requirements, then problem analysis, then determine input and output, then designing algorithm, then program coding, then testing and debugging the program, then program documentation. Then we will discuss about programming language. Programming language, before learning any language, it is important to know about the various type of language and their features. Language can be classified into two types. One type low level language, another type high level language. What is low level language? The language in the category are the machine level language and the assembly language. Then what is the high level language? High level language are designed keeping in mind the features of probability. These languages are machine independent. English language. Then we will know about translator. What is translator? Types of translator. Translator, we know the computer understand only machine level language, which is binary 1 or 0. The translator are three types. One is assembler, another is compiler, another is interpreter. So what is assembler? Assembler is used for converting the code of low level language into machine level language. Compilers and interpreters are used to convert of high level language into machine level language. So what is the difference between assembler and compilers? Assembler converts low level language to machine level language, and compilers and interpreters convert high level language into machine level language. Then we will know about history of language is derived from B language. B language is written by Ken Thompson at AT&T Bell Laboratories. The B language was adopted from a language of BPCL. BPCL means Basic Combined Programming Language. Then the C language is formed in ANSI, American National Standard Institution, to standardize the C language in 1982. C is structured programming language developed by Dennis Ritchell in 1973.